Hey TV lovers, welcome back to Honest Explorer. If you're here, you've probably heard the buzz about the TCL QM8. And yep, it's real. This TV isn't just a spec monster, it's shaking up the big leagues. So today, we're going all in. Let's break down TCL's flagship beast, the QM8 QD Mini LED TV. Is it a budget-friendly OLED killer, or just a flashy overachiever? Let's find out. And hey, check the video description for the latest deals. We update them daily so you don't miss out. All right, let's kick things off with the basics. TCL's QM8 is their top-tier 4K Mini LED TV. We're talking QD, quantum dot, Mini LED tech. It's available in 65, 75, 85, and a massive 98 inches. Yep, go big or go home. The 98-inch model turns your living room into a movie theater. And the pricing? Wildly competitive, way below what you'd expect from this performance tier. But don't let the price fool you. This thing is seriously stacked. Design geeks, this one's for you. From the front, it's all screen. Ultra-thin bezels, clean, minimalistic chassis. It doesn't scream for attention, but it definitely earns a second look. Now flip it around, there's a built-in subwoofer tucked into the back. We'll talk sound in a bit, but that thing, not just for show. The stand is adjustable in height, and wall mounting is a breeze with VESA compatibility. Looks, flexibility, function, check, check, and check. Now let's get into the display. This is where the QM8 goes beast mode. We're looking at a mini LED backlight system with up to 5,000 local dimming zones on the 98-inch version. That's insane. It delivers better control over contrast and blooming than many OLEDs in bright rooms. And the peak brightness? A mind-blowing 2,000 to 5,000 nits, depending on screen size. That's brighter than most TVs on the market right now. Watching HDR content on this thing is like staring into the sun, but in a good way. Seriously, Dolby Vision looks stunning. HDR10+? Also supported. HLG? Covered. It even has Dolby Vision IQ, which adapts the picture based on room lighting conditions. Smart, bright, colorful. Thanks to quantum dot technology, you get rich, accurate color reproduction. Wider color gamut? You bet. And with TCL's AI-PQ Engine Gen 3, the processing is buttery smooth. Upscaling, motion handling, dynamic tone mapping, all handled like a champ. No weird soap opera effects. No janky frames. Just clean, sharp, cinematic visuals. All right, gamers. This part is for you. Gaming on the QM8? Total win. It supports 4K at 144 Hz. Yes, 144. With VRR, variable refresh rate, AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, and ALLM, auto low latency mode. Whether you're on PC, PS5, or Xbox Series X, you're golden. Inputs, it's got 4 HDMI ports, including 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, so you can plug in your console and your sound system, no compromise. Response time, low. Input lag, minimal. Motion blur, barely there. And if you're playing in a dark room, the mini LED contrast gives you that OLED-like pop, with way fewer worries about burn-in. Let's talk audio. The QM8 doesn't just show off, it speaks up too. You've got a 2.12 channel system with Onkyo audio tuning. And yes, that rear subwoofer, it thumps. Dolby Atmos is on board, and while it's not a full home theater replacement, it's more than decent out of the box. Dialogue is clear. Action scenes are punchy. Room filling enough for most medium to large spaces. Of course, if you're picky, you can always add a soundbar or home theater system. But if you want to keep things simple, you'll still get a solid experience. All right, let's shift gears. Smart features. This TV runs Google TV, not Roku like some other TCL models. And that's actually great news. Google TV is fast, intuitive, and stacked with streaming apps. You get YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, and everything in between. The interface is smooth. The recommendations? Surprisingly smart. And there's Google Assistant built in. Want to find a show? Just ask. Prefer Alexa or Apple HomeKit? They're supported too. You've got Chromecast built in as well. It's an ecosystem playground. Now, a cool little extra, Game Accelerator 240. It uses frame interpolation to simulate 240 Hz gameplay at 1080p. If you're into ultra-smooth esports titles, that's your jam. Let's talk picture tuning. Out-of-the-box color accuracy? Pretty solid. But if you're the type who calibrates your TVs, the QM8 gives you tons of adjustment options. There's even filmmaker mode for purists. You want to see movies the way directors intended? Boom. Done. Now, no TV is perfect. Let's keep it real. The cons. Number 1, viewing angles. The QM8 uses a VA panel. That means if you're watching from the side, colors may shift a bit. So if you have a super wide seating arrangement, that's something to consider. Second, While the brightness is stellar, some blooming can still happen in tricky HDR scenes. It's miles ahead of edge-lit panels, but OLED still holds the crown for perfect black uniformity. And one more thing. Only 2 of the 4 HDMI ports are HDMI 2.1, so plan your device hookups carefully. That said, if these are your only trade-offs at this price, still a killer deal. Let's sum it up. Who is this TV for? If you want the ultimate bang for your buck, you like watching TV in bright rooms, you want big screen performance without OLED pricing, you're a gamer who needs that low-latency 4K at 144 Hz goodness, and you love vibrant, colorful HDR, the QM8 is made for you. But if you have a wide living room with off-angle viewing, or you're an audiophile looking for built-in Dolby Atmos heaven, you might want to pair it with a soundbar. And consider your seating layout. Now, is this better than an OLED? In bright rooms? Possibly. In terms of value? Absolutely. If you're looking at LG's C4 or Sony's A80L, and you want something brighter, faster, and cheaper, this might just be your sweet spot. Let's not forget, the 98-inch version is under $5,000 right now. That's unheard of for this kind of size and spec sheet. So final verdict? TCL's QM8 is a mini LED monster. Big, bold, bright, beautiful. It punches way above its weight. And it's not just good for the price, it's just plain good. All right, that's a wrap on our deep dive. If this video helped, hit that like button like it's a power switch. Drop a comment. What's your dream screen size? And don't forget to subscribe for more brutally honest reviews from Honest Explorer. The best current deals on the QM8? They're in the description. Go check them out before they're gone. Catch you next time. And remember, size does matter when it's bright.